Hi again, everyone. It is Wednesday, the 17th of November. Looking at the Astro Excel for today and into the end of the week. Here we are on the 17th, currently the 30-minute chart. We have hit a bottom point on the green line, but we're right in the middle of this chop. You can see we've been sideways since about 10:30 yesterday. We peaked out a little bit after that. Now we've been kind of flatlining through. Once we hit this blue line peak right here at around 8:15, 8:30, both lines are going to sink downward and we're going to make some kind of a bottom here, probably around 1 o'clock. And then we have upward pressure on both lines. The green line is strong all the way up through tomorrow till a little bit after 7, and then it turns flat till about 12:20. So somewhere in there we'll be expecting a peak. We're going to look for that and find that. So that should be some sort of high for the week right there. It should be not a major high, but it'll be a minor swing high. Taking a look at the Vedic chart, we'll bring this in here. Looking back, we had the overlap on the green and the white window. The lower the ribbon in the panel, the more important the blocks are as far as the white and the bright green, where we get the highs and lows. So you can see here we had a overlap on 3 blocks. We had white over green, then we had green over white over green. We had a high in the first block and a low in the second block. Then we had another bigger block here, a big white block yesterday, and we got the high right here. We got the higher high than the prior window, which was back in here, which was this high. Actually, we took the high out of the last 2 windows. So we made that high. Now we're coming down here. We're tracking downward. We're probably going to make a low, then move out of there. We've got a more minor window this afternoon. This one's not going to last very long. It's after the day sessions between 4:30 and 5 o'clock, so there's nothing going in there in that frame. Then we've got early morning, a couple places where we could peak out tomorrow. We're more likely to get the high in this area that I've got blacked in. We've got the white block on the A2 and the green block on the B1, and here I've drawn them both in, and in the overlap between 5 and about 7:54 a.m. is coincident with the Astro Excel peak, and this is the more likely area for that high in this window. So we'll take a closer look at this again tomorrow. Then we have another window later in the afternoon, which is going to come in about 14:45 till the close, and that would, if we get that, that could also be a potential point for a high. But if we get the high in this area here in the morning, that could just be a low point there. So we'll take a look at that a little closer tomorrow, but that's kind of what we're looking at. We're kind of flatlining right now. We're going to move down, and then we're going to come up tomorrow into the what looks like it should be the high for the week, and then we should get a bit of a down move behind that. So that's it for today. We'll be back again Friday. We'll update the Astro Excel and the Vedic and see what's going on there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow.